If you want an extra added details to your model in Blender, then the Ambient Occlusion node will do just that. First, add the Ambient Occlusion nodes that will use shadows to emphasize depths on your models. Then add a color ramp node, which will control the intensity of the shadow. Then add a mix shader node to mix the output from the principled BSDF and the occlusion node. What we'll do now is connect the principled BSDF to the second shader output, then color ramp to the factor of the mix shader node. Connect the ambient occlusion node to the factor of the color ramp. You can immediately notice a subtle change but realistic difference in your model. Play with the color ramp slider to get what you like. You can also change the color of the shadow to any color that you want by adding a diffuse BSDF node to the first shader of the mix shader node. Then just copy the node setup and paste them across the different materials of your models and connect them, and that's it. You might also want to learn how to create a brushed radial material. Then watch this video.